how to use your Android phone as a modem. So if you want to use your Android phone as a modem, then what you need to do is just follow the step-by-step tutorial. To run an intranet on your computer, Android smartphone has a feature tethering to share your Android device data connection with your PC or your laptop. So how to use that on your Android phone? That is through your USB cable. So the first thing you need to do is connect your phone to the computer with the USB cable. After connecting, now you need to open the menu from your phone and then you need to go with your setting. From the settings of your phone, you need to go with wireless and network. But if you don't have that, you can go with network and intranet. Under network and intranet, you need to go with hotspot and tethering. And under hotspot and tethering, you'll have an option of USB tethering, which is share your phone's internet connection via USB. So if you turn that on, then it will share your mobile's Wi-Fi or the network to your PC or your laptop. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.